I'm very glad to be here as for the very first time I have the chance to take part in the Ramlila festival here in Sigatoka as we mark such an important celebration on the Hindu calendar. We are lucky to call home a nation so rich in different cultures and religions, and I'm especially grateful that in Fijian society we so openly share in the traditions and celebrations of our fellow Fijians, as we do so today in welcoming the Ramlila festival. I know I used to enjoy the Ramlila festival when I was a kid in Lodoga, and I used to enjoy going up to enjoy this carnival. Every year, this festival brings color, artistic expression and joy to communities across Fiji. Through the dramatic reenactment of the life of the Hindu Lord Rama, poetry, singing and dancing, our Hindu brothers and sisters express the noble ideals lived out by Lord Rama and the triumph over adversity that was the ultimate purpose of Rama's incarnation on earth. I have been told that the art form of Ramlila has been practiced in Fiji for around 140 years, when it was first brought to Fiji by indentured laborers from British India in the early years of the Gilbert era. Then it was a social gathering, a celebration that brought the comfort and familiarity of home to a strange and foreign land, and we can all be proud that nearly a century and a half later, this festival continues as a joyous tradition in our national life. I was proud when just over 1 year ago, as you've heard, Fijians from all backgrounds and walks of life came together to commemorate the 100th anniversary of the arrival of SS Sutlej, the last ship of the Gilbert era that brought 888 indentured laborers to Fiji in November 1916. It was a very special and emotional tribute to the ancestors of our fellow Fijians who suffered through that dark time in our history. I was grateful then, as I'm grateful now, that Fiji is blessed with such a rich tapestry of religion, ethnicities, and cultural heritage. While it has not always been an easy journey, today, that diversity is our nation's greatest strength, and our unity has emerged as a foundation for the great progress we've made for Fiji over the past decade. In every religious tradition in Fiji, there are values that every Fijian can appreciate and celebrate. The Ramlila festival is no different. As is in the story of Rama's life, are lessons that hold meaning for us all. It is a story of family, it is a story of friendship, and it is a story of leadership. And as a father and grandfather myself, the story of Lord Rama puts forward ideals that I strive to meet in my own life, and I know mothers, fathers, and grandparents across the country strive to do the same. The story of Lord Rama is also a story of teamwork, a story of unity and camaraderie, values that have built the Fiji we know and love today, values that bond us together in our great journey forward as a nation, and values that we have enshrined for all time in the Fijian Constitution. A constitution that for the first time establishes common and equal citizenry in Fiji, regardless of our background, our beliefs, our socio-economic status, or where we live. Under that constitution, united in common purpose, the Fijian people have taken our nation to unprecedented heights, at home, as we've grown our economy for 8 straight years, and abroad, where we've assumed global leadership on causes critical to our secure future. We've shown that when we respect one another, when we work alongside one fellow Fijians and embrace our differences, there is nothing we cannot achieve. We have just entered the new year as we look forward to the rest of 2018. it is more important than ever that we continue to stand together as one nation and one people in building the new Fiji. We will be holding our national elections later this year, and as we've seen before, we will again be confronted with old forces that seek to divide us and hold us back from our journey into the future. Again, we must reject that backwards way of thinking. Again, we must choose progress over prejudice and dirty politics. Excuse me. And again, we must renew our commitment to one another as Fijians and as men and women dedicated to the betterment of our nation. We must continue our work to make Fiji a better, safer, and more inclusive nation. We must continue the sound financial management and planning that has carried our economy to such success. We must continue opening doors of opportunity for our young people through free education, subsidized bus fare for school children, and record funding towards scholarship programs. We must continue our work to create a more knowledgeable society, one that rewards on the basis of merit and merit alone. And we must continue to hold our great belief in what this nation can accomplish as we strive to make every year an even better year to be a Fijian. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to acknowledge the Tuva Sanatam Ram Lila Committee and our Hindu communities in Hulileka, in Lambasa and Nabua that are also holding celebrations for the Ram Lila Festival. Lastly, I'd like to give my thanks to the Sanatam Ram Lila Committee for continuing the tradition of Ram Lila in the Singatoka community. I wish you all a happy new year and a wonderful festival celebration. Good night,